off 1942. Taking off the night.
Oh shit. About to break my neck. Hello. Welcome back to my channel. Jackie Nicole here. If this is your first time seeing my lovely face, then hey, how you doing? If you're returning, then I'm so glad you came back. But today I'm doing a leg workout while doing some content for TikTok too. Okay? We trying to do things, okay, this year. Okay, keep it on track with everything. And I do mean everything. Work, family, fun, content, YouTube, all of that. We staying on track or whatever. We learning ourselves and making it work for us so we're not working so hard. So everything is content. Everything is content. But yes, okay. My last workout video, I pretty much gave y'all my stats on my weight and whatnot. I definitely gained some muscles and most of my little rippies is going, and you can see a little dent coming on. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. And if my head cut off, I don't care. I don't care. I'm not redoing this, and I'm using this camera, so y'all better get it how I live, okay? Okay? Because this camera has been kicking my... Yes, it has. So I'm trying to stick with it. Y'all see it look a little bit better because them last ones with this camera, it was looking... My last workout in here was looking a little... Like, what? It had lines? I don't know. I did some research and everything and changed the settings, so I hope it's giving what it's supposed to give, or almost giving what it's supposed to give, because this is what you're getting, regardless, okay? So today is leg workout, and I have already did my stepper. I do 15 minutes of the stepper. I have it written up on my board over here, so I cannot forget, and it is not in there completely yet, because I switched up, you know, at the beginning of the year. But I do 15 minutes of stepper, weighted steps, bar squats, glute kicks, and jump squats. And I have incorporated these little ankle bands. I don't know if you can see it. These little ankle bands. Well, if you don't know what I'm talking about, it's on my TikTok. But I'll be sure to show you somewhere in here. But all of this stuff is linked in my storefront with the link below. The links are given below. If you want to check it out, okay, make me know, never mind. I got mine, or whatever. But, yeah. I've already done the stepper. But if you don't know what stepper is, I'll get on here and show you. Like, I don't know what rock you've been under, but, you know, the stepper. Like, boom, boom, boom. Yeah, this thing. The stepper. Okay, and, of course, at the end, I'll give you my weight and stats. You know, somewhere along this video. You know what? I'm going to put it right here. Because I got to edit this thing. I'm talking like I don't got to edit this thing. I'm going to put it right here. Okay? But, Alexa, stop. Always in my business. But, yeah. So let me go ahead and finish my workout. Yeah, I give you some little snippets of what I'm doing. Y'all see that little thing coming in? Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Okay, I was getting ready to put on my belt, and then I realized you never did an instructional video on how to use the body bands that I saw on my site, and I sure didn't. So here is the perfect opportunity for me to do so. So, of course, you're going to step into the body band. If it's not already in the slit right here, let me step up here where I belong. But you're going to put it into the little slit, and you're going to place it where you want it to start and cinch it to your waist. Then you're going to hold it right here until you start to wrap. The first wrap is just going to go around, just around. And then you're going to start wrapping like this. Okay, it's kind of hard to explain, but just watch. You take it around. And as you're taking it around, you're going to go pull it around and grab it. This is where you start this. You grab it and you put it slanted going down. Just like, okay, you're doing double dutch. You're going down. And as you go around and come back, you're going to go up. You see how that catches that little piece right there? Oh, you see some black part right there. As you're going up, that goes across that. Then you go around, and what you're gonna do? You're gonna go back up. See, I'm going up. Then as you go around again, then you're gonna come back around, and then you're gonna go up in the front. So that creates, I'll let you see in a minute. You go up. And that's the best way that I see to wrap. So you get a nice snug fit and you don't have anything sticking out or whatever. See how it creates? Well, hell, now I'm too short. So I'm gonna just zoom in. The little crisscross right here. And this is how I wrap, you know, mine. Okay, now I can begin. Hey y'all, hey. And okay, this is what I'm gonna do for the people that watch, that actually watch and support me. Okay, I'm gonna put a code down there. I don't know what the code is gonna be yet because this is right off the dome. It's not on there now, but I'm gonna set it up. But I'm gonna put a code down in the description. Not just the bands, all waist trainers is gonna be 40% off. And I'll do the first 5, depending on how I'm feeling or whatever. It'll be 40% off, and it'll be a code right here and in the description. And when I make that, then okay, I'll take it from under there. I can't edit the video, but I'll take it from under there or whatever. So if it's not there, that means you came too late. Okay? Okay, let's go. Alexa, play.
She took the whole thing, slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost town, baby. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you punks, you can't even pay me enough to read.
Whew, okay. I forgot to record the jump squats, but y'all know my heart. But anyway, okay, now I'm coming here so I can figure out what I'm eating for breakfast because I forgot to do my overnight oats last night. And yes, I still have on my waist trainer because I'm gonna go ahead and waist train for as long as I can. Because anyone that waist trains know that they can get uncomfortable at some point. And if you say it, don't you lie. Fight me. But I sell waist trainers and I know a lot about waist trainers, so you mean fit to sit up here and lie to me. Next person. But anywho, yeah, I forgot to make my overnight oats last night. So I gotta make me something for breakfast. Oh gosh, I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm tired. But what do I have in there? I gotta go grocery shopping. Oh my god. Sometimes I dread going grocery shopping, and if you are this is the first time watching me, this is why. Okay, go watch this. I dread it because I go grocery shopping once a month, and that means I have to plan my shopping list and everything. But it all works out. It's totally worth it for me. But yeah, let me find me something to eat. I opted in for some bacon, plant-based bacon, which I'm cooking in the air fryer. And I have some egg substitute. I already seasoned it up. And I have some spinach that I froze, but now I'm frying it to unfreeze it. And I'm just going to fry it all together. I mean, it was fresh spinach at one point, and then I didn't want to go bad, so I put it in a little Ziploc and froze it. So yeah. Oh, I'm so hungry. Why is this camera get blurry? Let me try this. Okay, so now I didn't even mash nothing. I don't know. I'm still figuring this camera out. Y'all know that. And this is what I'm having for breakfast today. I put some cheese in there, the one I cut up for the boys' Lunchables, and I got some of this probiotic water that I was gonna drink yesterday, but I'm gonna drink it now. But yeah, this is what I'm eating. I only put a little bit of cheese in there. It's just something about spinach and eggs. I'm gonna go ahead and check my socials and post what I need to post. My alarm should be going off. Yep, in about 6 minutes. Well, I realized that to get my 6-pack, I have to be more disciplined. So that's what I'm gonna do. I can't say I want something if I'm not willing to do what it takes to get it. So yeah. Whew. I just got finished eating, and I'm getting ready to go up here and finish this video that I was doing about the implant that I just picked up yesterday. I got a new one, and it's a better one. It actually pops in, but it's my night to pick for movie night, so I gotta find my movie, and it's also chore day where they complete their chores on Fridays. And I gotta go put some clothes in the dryer because I washed some this morning when I got up. But excuse me, I'm gonna close this out right here because I know how hectic editing and uploading can be. Whew. So bear with me. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos and take advantage of the code that I have down there. If you don't know what the code is for, that means you didn't watch the video. That's how we doing that. But remember to be you, because only you can do it best. And live. That's the message. See you on the next one.
My bills